Let's make art! This art project is all about The Peaceable Kingdom by Edward Hicks. Here's what you will need to make this art project. First, find 2 pieces of paper, one white and one tan. They both need to be the same size. You'll also need a ruler, a black marker, a pair of scissors, a pencil, some crayons, and a glue stick or a little bit of paste. Now let's get started by checking out an artwork. There are some things to know about this painting. A man named Edward Hicks painted it about 200 years ago. That's a long time ago. It is called The Peaceable Kingdom of the Branch. It is a painting about peace. Let's look at the frame. Edward Hicks painted words on it. The words are about animals living together in peace. The animals show peace too. Let's check them out. The animals sit together in peace with a child leading them. There are wild animals and tame animals. They are not hurting each other. You can see something else too. The painting has 2 different sides. We already looked at side number 1. It is all about the animals, right? Now let's see what is on side number 2. This side shows grown-ups meeting together to make a promise of peace. They are very, very tiny, but you can still see them if you look closely. Now it's time to draw some animals and people to show peace. Here are some tips to help you make your art. First, make a frame. Grab your ruler, tan paper, and a black marker. Line your ruler up with the edges of your tan paper and trace it with the black marker. Repeat on each side of the paper. Next, use the black marker to add words about peace to your frame and draw some simple decoration. Can you guess which word I'm writing on my frame? It's time to cut out the middle of your frame. Grab your scissors and poke a hole in the center of your paper. Now cut along the lines you drew with the ruler. Find your white paper and your pencil. Lay your frame on top of your white paper. Trace the middle. When you take the frame off, it shows you where to draw your picture. Next, we get to draw the animals. On the right side of your paper, use your black marker to draw wild animals, tame animals, and a small child together in peace. Remember to stay inside the line. Now it's time for the people. On the left side of your paper, draw people doing things that show peace. They can help each other, be kind to each other, have fun together, and even make friends. Stay inside the line on this one too. After you draw your animals and people, you get to turn this drawing into a landscape. A landscape is a picture that shows the land. Add in trees, flowers, rivers, lakes, mountains, and the sky. Whatever you'd like to add to show the outdoors. Now it's time to add color to this beautiful picture with some crayons. Wow, that's a good-looking landscape. And now, for the finishing touch, bring back your frame. Use a glue stick or some paste to glue it onto your drawing. There you have it. This Peaceable Kingdom is complete. When you finish yours, you can show it to people to share peace with them. Who will you show it to?